Okay, it's now 9:15. We've been without power for about an hour and 15 minutes. Lightning struck and I really thought that it had hit my house and I screamed. So I'm sitting here crocheting and I hear them up there. Haha. Yikes. I think they had to wait because it was storming really, really bad, but I'm thinking they're out there now. Let's see. My grandchildren are freaking out. Let's see here. Can't see nothing. And they're up there, but they've been going around the block and apparently they're not getting much accomplished. I hope my computer is not fried. Oh, let's see here. Oh my gosh, I've been spring cleaning, so. Oh, Lordy. Oh, here's one of June's pictures that I hung on my wall. Very nice. Oops, the light. Here's a couple others that I hung. It's getting a glare, aren't we? Oh, ignore the glare. Here's another one. It's hard to see, isn't it? Oh well. Well, there's a portrait of my daddy. Some of my Halloween stuff. Yeah, you can tell I'm really, really bored. I don't really have enough light to read or anything. I can't use this light long. There's some of my Halloween stuff in my case. Yeah, I'm just shaking because it just started again. Well, so much for that. Guess I'm going to go sit down and wait again. Bye.